Ano nga ba ang mga benefits na pwede natin makuha as SSS member? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Unang benepisyo na maaari natin makuha ay yung sickness benefits. Allowance if you can't work because of illness and accident. Kapag tayo nagkasakit o kaya tayo ay na-aksidente, makakakuha tayo ng allowance galing sa SS. Number 2, maternity benefits. Cash benefits for moms during pregnancy and birth. Kapag tayo nanganak guys, pwede tayo mag-file ng maternity leave at makukuha natin kung ilang buwan tayo naka-leave sa ating trabaho. Babayaran yun ng SSS. Number 3, disability pension or cash if you become disabled. Ito yung mga cases na kung saan na-aksidente ka o na-disable ka na, wala ka nang kakayahang makapagtrabaho, pwede na po kayong mag-file ng disability at maaari na kayong magkaroon ng pension at that time or makareceive ng cash from SSS. Number 4, retirement monthly pension or lump sum when you reach retirement age. Ito yung umabot ka na ng 60 years old at nakapaghulog ka ng 10 years and above. Kapag na-reach nyo na yung 60 years old, automatic po yung pwede na kayo mag-file ng retirement fee or retirement pension. Number 5, death and funeral benefits given to your family when you pass away. Ito po yung benefits na matatanggap ng pamilya nyo kapag po kayo ay namatay na. And number 6, loans like salary loan or calamity loan when you need an extra fund. Pwede kayo mag-file ng loan kapag po nagkaroon ng calamity sa ating bansa gaya ng bagyo, lindol, o whatever, etc. At yan po ay hindi libre, huhulugan niyo po yan buwan-buwan. Number 7, savings program optimal funds to increase your future pension. Guys, ito po yung tinatawag na booster guys. Kapag nakapaghulog po kayo ng voluntary pension booster amount, minimum of 500, ito po ay magiging additional sa magiging pension nyo every month. Halimbawa, computation natin is 2,000. Halimbawa lang ho yun, guys. Magiging 3,000 yung pension ninyo every month kung may hulog din ang booster fund ninyo. So, in short, guys, SSS is your protection in support in times of needs, from being sick, giving birth, losing work ability, until retirement. So, malaking bagay kapag meron kang SSS para sa iyong future. So, thank you for watching guys. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bottom bell for my next video. Bye! To be continued for next tutorial.